not even into pink like that, but this is my pink from Get In. Ooh, pink. Ooh, look at that pink paint. So I know I shouldn't be painting by my bed, but I don't have space like that. So, all right, so I'm pouring the paint. I don't even need that much paint. This pink is actually pretty, and I don't even like pink. All right, so this is basically what it is going to be, pink in the center, and then I will show you the rest once it dries, and I'll put on another coat. So I'm going to have to take my mini sign off the wall. I used to have the risers under my bed, but I don't think I'm going to use that anymore. So let me just turn my bed around, and then I'm going to paint that wall. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea. So now that I have that, I'm going to prime the black so I can paint over it with white. And this is the primer. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go over with white. So what just came to my door was my transparent chair from my vanity, and I'm excited! Yeah, I'm letting it dry and then put another coat.
The very next evening.
It's so crazy how much hair is all over the place that you don't even notice until you start painting. Right now I'm cleaning my room and trying to see what I'm getting rid of. The bookshelf that I have is going to come on this side, so I think I'm going to do that today as well. And like condense everything and bring in my new vanity. But I'm gonna show you what my room is looking like so far. Alright, so this is how my room is looking. I think I'm gonna get rid of those shelves. I'm not too sure because yeah. So then I have like paperwork or whatever. These two things were under my bed, but they're not gonna fit if I don't have the risers. So I'm gonna have to go through that and see what I want and don't want. Yeah, sorry for the ring light, but and then this side is the bed. I'm just like sweeping up everything because it's like if you was on the floor, I was I wasn't using you anyway. Okay, room is not looking too bad. Hopefully everything works out fine. So this definitely was poorly made. I'm gonna get my vanity chair, my new vanity chair, open it, and I'm gonna put this in the box, and this is going back because I'm not wasting money. Ooh, here go my new vanity chair. Ooh. Oh, let me take my screws off. Definitely mine. Oh yeah, it's hot in this room, but I ain't gonna pass out. It's getting hot in here. Oh my god, my iron was on this whole time. So it said, I don't get it. I said, you don't get what, dude?
It'll be like.
All right, so this is my room right now. I kind of like it. I just moved the bed over and put the vanity here. I think I'm gonna get a new vanity. I still have a lot of work to do. And these jeans, I'm definitely going through and seeing what I want and don't want. If I show you my closet, I basically put all my shoes and stuff up there for now, and I'm gonna have to go through all of that. I'm gonna go through it one by one because I'm not. I gotta get stuff in order. Like I gotta go get a vanity. I have to add on to this dresser. I want to add on to this. This is going in the garbage. I threw the other one out already. And yeah, basically, yeah, that's it. So it's more room for CJ to get through. And yeah, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. But this is it. I'm gonna do this wall tomorrow. And then I think I'm gonna paint this wall too tomorrow. Alright, so I'm about to put in these, put on these brick tiles. So these brick tiles. And put it up there. So let's get that going. It's so easy to move my bed and clean it now. Under my bed, I mean. To clean under my bed. Like I cleaned over here and stuff still got under the bed. I might need to buy more. This might not be enough. I got 3 boxes. Then I'm gonna change my sheets. I think I should paint that wall too to get it over with. Let me see how this is looking. I should put it under the light. It's supposed to be an easy task, so let's see. If I wanted to take this off, how would I take this off? Now I'm thinking I should have did a baby blue brick wall. What y'all think? I don't even think I need this super glue thing, because it's sticking on pretty well. I'm going to use it when it don't stick. This wall is uneven. Because my wall is uneven, it's not in the fucking middle. Gotta put on this. So now I gotta try and map it out before I put it up there. I have that there. I'm gonna have this out. There you go. And then bring this out further. That's what I think I'm gonna do. So this one is gonna be farther out. Alright. It's supposed to be a circle, but it don't look like it's gonna be a circle. My mini light is gonna go in the middle. I'm gonna take that out, take some more bricks out of that one on the left. And then right here is my sheets. Basically it's matching the wall, which is pink and blue and white. Then I'm gonna get another box of brick wall, and that's gonna be the wall. I just gotta clean it up. Yeah, so that's part 1 of my room makeover. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a big fat thumbs up. Till next time, bye.